We just got our first real estate investment property in the Philippines at kumita or kikita agad ng nearly 500,000 pesos in just 24 hours. Paano nangyari yun? Explain ko yan later. At kung paano mo rin siya magagawa. Investing in real estate has been a passion of mine. And since a lot of really wealthy and rich people have real estate part of their portfolio, and actually it's a really big part of their portfolio, kaya mas lalo akong naging interesado. I started my real estate investment journey in Canada a decade ago, and now I want to try it in the Philippines. So in today's video, actually, this just happened today. Today is August 7, 2023. It is my very first time trying to invest in Philippine real estate business. And I want to share this with you because this is going to be a special part in my real estate investment journey. Nakita ko rin na it's a great opportunity investment-wise. So today, we just paid our reservation fee for a 2-bedroom condo unit in a new development in Dagupan City, Pangasinan. We will talk more about the numbers later. This project is a mid-rise condo community. The developer is Futura by Philinvest. So if you're familiar with Philinvest Alabang, parang same lang daw yung concept. Lots of greeneries, pet and family-friendly neighborhood with its own amenities. May swimming pool, garden area, fitness center, clubhouse, children's play area, walking paths, etc. The community itself is within Philinvest up-and-coming dynamic business hub in Dagupan. There will be a BPO offices, corporate centers, and other business facilities, which is great for value appreciation. Why did we decide to invest in a condo unit? First is we are trying to look for best investments in the Philippines. There are many to choose from. There are stocks, bonds, and real estate. We chose real estate kasi why not, di ba? Kasi meron naman na kaming experience with it. Why condo? First is because of its affordability compared to buying a house and lot. Next is condo has amenities that you can enjoy like swimming pool, fitness center, clubhouse, and garden area. Next is low maintenance because the condominium property is managed by its developer. Another thing is accessibility due to its location. Mostly na mga condos are situated near business centers, schools, hospitals, and transportation. Next is privacy and security. If you are very particular about security, condominium is a great choice. Condos are known for their enhanced security measures. They typically have guards in entrance and exits, and round-the-clock security within the premises. Finally, increases in property value. If the area surrounding the condominium improves, then the property also increases its value. Ngayon, paano naman nangyari na kumita kami or kikita ng nearly 500,000 pesos in just 24 hours? Because we got the unit during pre-selling. Pre-selling means properties being sold before they are even built or finished. Developers usually advertise these properties years before their estimated turnover date. It can be during planning stage, during construction, or even at the very stage of development. Right now, with this property, they already started construction. Estimated turnover date of 2025 to 2026. So bakit naman kami nag-invest sa pre-selling condo? There are actually few benefits. Number one is lower introductory price. Most of the time, developers offer pre-selling condo units at 30 to 50% off the price of a completely built condo unit. So this attracts people who are interested in a low-cost, high-return investment. For our 2-bedroom unit, the total contract price is 5.2 million pesos. Next benefit is flexible payment options. Developers offer flexibility in payment because you have at least 2 to 3 years to pay for the unit before it is completed. For our unit, we have 38 months or over 3 years to pay for the down payment of 12%. That comes down to 12,800 per month for 20 months and 21,600 per month for the next 18 months. And then after that, we have the option to pay the remaining balance of 88% in cash or apply for bank financing. If you decide to apply for bank financing, the developers are going to help you out with the application process and look for best banks to finance it. They also offer discounts to other units and those who are going to pay spot down payment. Next reason why buying a pre-selling condo is good is because you can choose your condo unit. You can choose a nice location like facing the amenities, corner units, and higher floors if you want. The unit that we chose is a higher unit facing the amenities because those are most preferred when you rent it out or sell it in the future. Another good reason is it's a new property. When you take over, the building and amenities are all new. You can enjoy all the luxuries of owning a newly built condo once the property is complete. That means that every part of your property is brand new. Great investment returns. Condo units are almost always in high demand, especially in a very nice location. And as the property develops, the value also increases. This is why most investors prefer buying pre-selling condos and selling them after the project is complete, which is around 2 to 3 years. It is a low-risk investment that even starting investors can get into without worrying too much about their investments. Once the property is completed, they can either sell it for almost double the price or rent it out as a passive income stream. In our case, we were told that the first building is going to increase its price by 9% on August 8, 2023. Sabi namin, sayang yun. Ang laking increase nun. So kaya ngayon, August 7, 2023, bago mag-price increase, ay nagbayad na kami ng reservation fee na 20,000 pesos para ma-take advantage namin yung increase. So let's do the computations now. 5.2 million ang initial pre-selling price plus 9% increase ay magiging 5.67 million na siya. That is 468,000. Nearly 500,000 pesos increase in just 24 hours with only 20,000 investment. Dun pa lang, I think panalo na. Saan ka makakakita ng ganoong return in any investments at ganun kabilis with a very minimal investment capital? And if you want to invest in any properties like condominiums, make sure that the developer is reputable and has a good track record para hindi ka kakaba-kaba sa investment mo. Now, as of this moment, while making this video, nag-message sa akin yung real estate specialist that the price increase is extended to August 11, 2023. So this is good news for those of you who wants to start investing in real estate in the Philippines, especially if you are near the area or in Pangasinan. I think there are only few studio units and 2-bedroom units is still available as of this moment. You still have a chance. You have 4 days from now to also take advantage of this 9% increase. Again, the price increase is extended to August 11, 2023. So if you make a reservation, I think from August 7 to August 11, you can still take advantage of the old pricing. Buying low now and then sell high later if you want, or keep it as a rental property and stay on it if you're on a vacation. For those who are interested, let me know in the comment section or message me on my Facebook page. I will put a link down in the description so that I can refer you to the Futura by PhilInvest in-house real estate specialist, okay? If you are from abroad, no worries because they can assist you online. Everything is online, even application. So, that is another exciting part of my life. The start of my real estate investment journey in the Philippines. I am so excited on how it will turn out. And I'm also excited of all the things that I'm going to learn. And I'm sure I will be sharing with you all of those learnings. So, make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet so you won't miss any of my videos. Leave a like and comment before you go, and let me know if you have any questions or video suggestions. And as always, if you want to learn more, make sure to watch this next.